Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be discussing about protozoans. So as you all know, protozoans are single-celled eukaryotes which are known to cause a lot of trouble to animals, and not all of them cause it, we know that, but there are some which cause a huge trouble for us. So we'll discuss a few of them, but before that we'll look at some of the features, some of the basic structures of protozoans. So, the basic structures of all protozoans, like a normal eukaryotic cell, includes a plasma membrane, a cytoplasm, which can be divided into an ectoplasm and an endoplasm. So, the ectoplasm is the one which is outside. I'm sorry, I highlighted the one which is inside. So, the ectoplasm is the one which is lying outside on this side. See, and it helps basically in locomotion, ingestion, etc. And the endoplasm is where the metabolism happens. That's the yellow area inside. The nucleus can be in vesicular form or in compact form. Then we have the locomotor structures, that is the ones which help them in movement. So we have the pseudopodia as in the amoeba, flagella as in paramecium, flagella as in the hemoflagellates, and we have the cilia as in paramecium. So there we have a small introduction on a small idea regarding how the flagella is organized, which is not really important as far as you know all the basic structures of the protozoa. Then we have the modes of reproduction. So we know that there are two types of reproduction in animals. It can be asexual or sexual. So asexual means it involves only a single parent, and within that we can include binary fission, where one mother cell will give rise to two daughter cells having the same genetic constitution. Then we have schizogony or multiple fission, where one mother cell can give rise to multiple daughter cells. Okay. Then we have endodiagony, where there is internal budding which results in two cells, which I'll discuss when the time comes. Now, sexual reproduction includes conjugation, where there is an exchange of nuclear materials between two protozoans, and each other will get the nuclear fragment from each of the others. Then we have gametogony, where sexually differentiated cell unit called zygote exists. So that's all about the mode of reproduction. Now, coming to the life cycle patterns, most of the protozoa have two stages, and in the active phase we can see them feeding, we can see them growing, and that is called the trophozoid stage. Okay, the trophozoid stage, and in this stage we can see them moving, as I told you, and also procuring enough food. So they are getting their nourishment in this phase. Then we have the cis stage, or the vegetative form, which is the inactive situation, but in this situation they are highly resistant to these unfavorable conditions outside of the host. So these are some of the basic things that you need to know about protista or protozoans. In the next class we will be talking about hemoflagellates, which belong to the class kinetoplasta. Okay, so they have kinetoplastid, so DNA in their nucleus. All right, so sorry, not DNA in the nucleus but extracellular DNA. And that's all for today. I'll see you all later. I know the class was short, I just needed to give a brief introduction to the class protista. Kingdom protista, protozoa. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.